Y'all finished? You silly motherfuckers. You got to be soldiers, alright? Soldiers. Not clowns, goddammit.
Yeah, yo, the game's getting twisted. Watch the players about to flag the rap shit. The baby nine sleeping in the bassinet. Peep high body him whole, cause they not half the threat. I stunned and jumped out of the jack, but I'm a fucking vet. See me? Flags waving while we racing to them 7 digits. Hands waving, overlapping right before you finish. Yeah, you heard me crystal clear, but look like a blemish. My lawyer sent a cleaner over, speak only Yiddish. I pray it burn you when I talk, I hope you offended. You poke the bear, you get mauled, it's called us the rep. With no chance of survival, so call your mother, reverend, homie, big brother and dad. They all can fucking get it. Fucking T to G, war ready since the MP3. So I'ma beat his ass like an NPC. Go. I am never slipping off the Hennessy. Before this bottle touches the floor, I brush them neatly. Back out, bake them back. One time, shake them. They got Nathan, no ice, skating. I'm one-on-one with a master plan. Here's them late night, drawing rods in the caravan.
It took it how it came. I took it and turned it into change for better. No, we could never be labeled as the same. My era with killers was raised, the whole decade of terror. The 90s was grimy, and the street hustler designed me. Mama made it happen, my pops would abandon. Baby boy was handing out shots from the cannon. The way it goes, may rest in peace. It's 23 apiece, capiche. Keep it in the streets, look. I do the Carhartt, that's APC. Pray the angels protect me and lay me sleep. They play me rolling they daily leaf. Feds, listen, we transition in street code the way we speak. Yo, I gotta make a way they ain't give us. The shooter like the designated hitter. I resonate with killers. The losses fueled us to elevate the winners. Just know the difference and separate from niggas.
Back out, bake them back. One time, shake them. They got Nathan, no ice, skating. I'm one-on-one with a master plan. Here's them late night, drawing rods in the caravan. Back out, bake them. One time, shake them. They got Nathan, no ice, skating. I'm one-on-one with a master plan. Here's them late night, drawing rods in the caravan.
You motherfuckers see that? I'm a motherfucking soldier, you know what I'm saying? Now drop.